I'm Ray White, and I'm a problem solver. You could probably most relate my position to raising children. Every child has a unique personality, and so you work with that, just as our customers are. Every customer has a unique need or application or in a unique location in the world. And so we look at it from all of those perspectives, and we address their needs specifically. Okay, so we don't have general ways of handling things. We specifically look at our customers' needs and we address them that way. The factory acceptance test is the point at which we bring the customer into the facility to take a look at the system solution we've provided. We take them through the whole process. From the beginning, we start with education in regards to what a system is and how it's set up. So that the different members of the factory acceptance team, no matter how educated they are about what we do, they're grounded into a level which that brings to them the ability to ask very good questions about what we're supplying them. But what we do differently here at Federal Signal is that we take it to the next level. Prior to the customer even coming, we do our own internal acceptance test. If it doesn't meet our own needs, we don't put it forward to the customer. And prior to them coming, we would rather delay them than have them come see something that's not completely ready for the test. So at the end of the day, our factory acceptance test includes a multitude of pre-tests, and when the customer arrives, they see it for what it is, and they're not looking for problems. They know that they have a fully operational system. They can spend their time looking at how we can improve it. In the end, a lot of times what we're doing, we're basically breaking new ground. We're coming up with a system solution that's unique to the customer's end application. So many times we not only have to propose that solution on the front end, we also have to engineer it on the front end so that we know for sure that what we're going to sell them will satisfy the need.